today we are going with reading section 1. Okay, what is question number, what is here written? 5 views of Wellington Hotel. Here they have given 5 views and like a passage. These are the reviews. Okay, and here is the questions. So what question type is that? Look at the 5 online reviews of Wellington Hotel, A to E. Okay, so A to E we have to look, and we have to find which review mentioned in the following questions. Which review? And you may use any letter more than once. So if suppose this is under passage A, so we can write here A, and if the second one is also A, so we have to write A. We can use one letter more than once. Okay, now these order won't follow the question type. The passage order we have to search it, like it's a scrambled one, jumbled one. We have to find it. Now look at here, question 1. Liking the view from the bedroom window. Bedroom window and view is our keyword here. Next, finding receptionist welcoming, means in any passage it's written like the staff is good, they are welcoming us and treated well. So welcoming receptionist will be our answer. Okay, being pleased with the bedroom, being pleased. Okay, becoming confused when booking a room. If the review is not good, they are confused in booking a room, so we can choose this option. Being impressed by the wide choice of food. So when coming towards the food review, we can use this. Staying in the hotel regularly, means those who visit regularly basis for occasions and all, we can use this. Finding it inconvenient that the hotel was crowded. So if we found that was crowded, so we can use this, not convenient and all. Okay, well, whenever we are doing reading, no, it's I think it's a good tip to look all the questions what we have, so that we have a quick review on it and we don't waste any time on it. My husband, option A review. My husband, I stayed at Wellington Hotel few years ago and we have returned every year. See, and we have returned every year since then, means they are visiting regularly. When we arrive and check in, we are always treated like old friends by the staff, means they are treated well like old friends. So we feel very much feel at home. Our disappointment was during our last visit was that our room overlooked the car park but did not spoil our stay. So here what she written, that हम लोग आ रहे थे ये होटल को हमने काफ़ी टाइम पहले आया था, फिर बाद में हम हमेशा एवरी ईयर हम विज़िट करने गए, मतलब regularly they are visiting. So in question 1 was there, no, regularly visit. And what is the second one? When we arrive and check it, always be treated like old friend, means the staff is good. Welcoming means what? Receptionist. Okay, so finding the receptionist welcome is our option A. Okay, this review in option like review A. Our answer for second is A. And regularly visit somewhere I found, no, yes, sixth one is also A. Staying in the hotel regularly. Finding the receptionist welcoming. We got our 2 answers. Now strike it off like this. If you are doing your paper based, no, cut it off with a pencil. If you are okay. Now how many options are written? 1. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are left. Let's go back. What are remaining? Bedroom window. Pleased with the bedroom. Confused when booking. Impressed by the wide choice of food. Inconvenient and was crowded. Okay. The hotel hardly seems to have changed in the last 100 years, and we prefer that to many modern hotels, which tend to look same as each other. The Wellington Hotel has character. Our room was very comfortable and quite spacious. We can strongly recommend the breakfast. So here they are talking about the food. Though we had wait for a table as the hotel was full, that was bit annoying, means crowded. Here they are talking about annoying, means they are frustrated, and that hotel was fully, one option is there, and there were also nowhere to sit in the lounge. Okay, so here two things they are explaining. Have a glance over here. Our room means bedroom was very comfortable and quite spacious. Sorry. Yes. So for B review, this third will be our answer, being pleased with the bedroom, and that was crowded, finding it inconvenient. Why they are finding inconvenient? Because hotel was crowded. Seventh also B only. Okay, they are only talking about the breakfast. That was a trap, but what they mainly feel that they feel inconvenient, the hotel was crowded. So we got our options. Now how many are left? Fifth one, fourth, fifth one, fourth one, and first one. We made our reservation by phone without problem, but when we arrived, the receptionist could not see the computer system. Luckily, there was a room available. It wasn't quite, but we have chosen. But it was a pleasure to sit in it with a cup of tea and look out the swimmers and surfers in the sea. So when the couple came, they have done online registration, but they could not find it, and then they find a room. It was good. They can look swimmers and surfers, means it's a view. Liking the view from the window. Yes, liking the view from the bedroom window. What they are liking the view? This swimmers and surfers in the sea. They can see the sea with a cup of tea. Yes, we got it. Now coming towards D, we will have happy to stay in the Wellington again, although there was nothing special about the rooms. The view from the lounge is lovely. The restaurant staff were friendly and efficient. Breakfast was highlight. There was so much on offer, we could hardly decide what to eat. So in this they are talking about food. So what will be our option? Being impressed by the wide choice of food. Yes. Even the staff acknowledged their jobs efficiently. They were helpful when we asked for information about the areas. The only difficulty we have making our reservation online. It wasn't clear whether payment or deposit, and had to call the hotel to find out. Still, once we have arrived, everything went very smoothly. We had a delicious dinner in the restaurant. Okay. So here they find confusing in the booking. Becoming confused when the booking a room. Only one was left, and we have done with this E. Okay, got it everyone? If you have any doubt, please do comment me and ask me. If you want online coaching or offline coaching, you can contact me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.